All right, question number 3. We have 100 riders from several countries participated in a bicycle race. Only 80 riders, including Michael and Juan, finished the race. Michael finished 5th. Juan was the winner. All riders, countries of origins, and finishing times were recorded on the race register. No two riders who finished had the same time, and those who did not finish were recorded as DNF or did not finish. And we're going to say, based on this information, determine if the set is well defined. Okay, so let's talk about well defined. Okay, so just in its simple form, well defined means that all of us would come up with the same answer. So um, let's just say, if I wanted to say, how much money do you have to have in order to be rich? Okay, so let's just say rich. Well, rich is going to be subjective based on person to person. Some people might say that $1 million is rich. Some people might say you need to have multiple millions of dollars. Let's just say 10 plus. Some may say 1 billion. It could be different from person to person. Some people may just say you're rich based on living in America, because there are some impoverished countries who don't have things as well off as we do in America. So this is not really well defined, just saying rich. Now, let's just say a person is rich if they income, let's just say more than $500,000, so 500,000. All right. So a person is rich if they income more than 500,000. Now, I could now make a list of incomes, and we can identify which one is rich and which one is not. Okay, and I'll do that by underlining them. And then let's give one more. All right, so of this list of numbers, there would be one person that meets the criteria of rich. That would be this person that makes 1,200,000. 250,000 is not 500,000. I say more than 500,000 or more was what I should do. So this is a plus. This one is below. This one is above. So we would consider them rich. This one is 6,000, way below. 120,000 is below. So based on this would say it's well defined, because we would all conclude that this one is rich based on what we define. So we are looking for same thing in this problem. So it says the set of riders who finished the race after Michael. Is that well defined? We could pick those out if we had all the times, because nobody had the same time. If we had that list, we know he finished 5th and only 80 riders finished the race total. So we know there's going to be 75 below him. And so, yes, we could figure out who would be in that set. The set of American riders who started but did not finish the race. It says all riders' countries of origin and finishing times were recorded. So if we have all their finishing times recorded and their countries of origin, we could identify America, and by DNF, we will know who did not finish. So that set is also well defined. The set of riders who finished the race. Yes, we will be able to see who finished the race based on having a completed time. So I would say yes, that is also well defined. The set of riders who finish 10 minutes or more after the winner. Again, only 80 riders finished. We know that one was the winner. His time was recorded, and we can see who was 10 minutes after that. So, yes, that will be well defined. And then the last step is the set of riders with the best looking bikes. Okay, so that one would be subjective. One person may find a bike that they think looks really good, and another person may think that that bike is not good looking. And so we don't have a definition of what looks really good. And so that set would not be well defined. We would not all agree on the same bikes. All right, and that is good.